Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today's video is very special to my heart because I'm gonna share with you my special personal planner. I just designed from personalplanner.com. I cannot wait to show you what I designed. كن حواتين كون حن متأخن سمع إيدن بحال أبزي channel ناي cleaning organizing يتقبر لو معتي special video أزلهني تنال planner يخريكن كاب scratch بعلي design جريو. This is so beautiful. بعلي كل جريو مالتيو كم تزدل هو كم يجي خمس قبركو خريكني كله ولا زوجته. I don't know if you can see it. This is a personal planner. I absolutely love it. I designed it 100%. This is extra protection for the planner, and I place my channel name Eden at Home, and it's for 2018 and 2019. And then this note is I left it like it was. If it's like if I forgot it somewhere, I can put my name and address so they can send me. And I absolutely love what is inside. I design every detail, and I'm gonna show you how I design it. مجمريا personalplanner.com تأتوا مالتيو دحر تي سايز and حبري قلمله ببعينتو كريكنيو أي سايز كم تدليات مرزعة أو كليك تجبر مالتيو حجي أنا نقبلت زي وايد مريزة تري لي خنك أزع عبت مرزعة تخلي خنك كم ناتكن تدلي أو مالتيو. First, you go to personalplanner.com, and then it will show you different sizes, colors, and everything. So you choose one. I chose the white one. It's so beautiful and very different than the others. That's why I chose that one. And then when I picked that one, I put my channel name and my personal details. And then you choose the color you want. For example, I like gray, so I chose gray cover and gray everything. دحر أبزي كم تأكل نجي نبزي page دحر حبرة مرزع مالتي أنت عينت حبري خنت ليلها حجي عنا نقبلت زي gray يدفتو so gray مريزة مالتي. تدلي خن كعني سئلي قعدت قبرات تقلي خن مرجع قرت لي 4-5 دخون سئله باكن. And then you can choose a portrait if you want to. You also can choose and change the colors inside. وش تقعني كم تزدل خنو عينة حبر تغيره تقلها. And then you can add what boxes you want to add on the bottom. like to-do list or workout of the day or anything you want. ኣብቲ ታሕቲ ከዓኒ ዝግበር ነገር ተለክን ኮይኑ ወይ ከዓ ፕላን ወይ ከዓ ናይ ድራር እንታይ ዓይነት ድራር ክትሰርሓሎም ከም ዘለክን ደቅቕን ኣብ ታሕቲ ከዓ ትውስኻሎ ትኽእል ኣይኽን At the end, you can add your overview and address list or maps, whatever you want. After መጨረሻ ከዓ ናይ ዓመታዊ ፀብፃብ ናይ ማፕ ናይ መገድታት ማለት እዩ ሓበሬታ ወይ ከዓ ናይ ኣድራሻታት ናይ ህዝቢ ማለት እዩ ተወስኻሎ ትኽእላ ድሓር ዲዛይን ጌርክን ምስ ወዳእክን add to the cart ትገብርኦ ትኸፍላ ማለት እዩ በቃ ይሰዱልክን At the end, when you finish, add to the cart and it will take you to the payment page and that's it. You order it and it will come to you about 2 weeks later. When it comes in a green envelope. It's cute and very protective. كمتخلو أكم زكاة عليها envelope يدمتك بتعمي protective تقنى envelope مالتي. When I received my personal planner, I found it to be better than I thought it's gonna be. The colors is amazing and the cover is hard silicone and I did a good job designing this. Thank you personal planner for sponsoring this video. This personal planner ምስ መፀኒ ናይ ባሕቂ ተደኒቐ ማለት እዩ ካብቲ ዝሓሰብኩ ንላዕሊ ኮይኑ ፀኒሑኒ ዋላ እቲ ሕብሩ ዋላ እቲ ኳሊቲ ናቱ ማለት እዩ It comes with extra envelope. It has a divider and stickers inside, so you can attach it to the personal planner. حنتي envelope على مسؤت مت the divider sticker معتن مالتي بوزو sticker دلوا مسو attach تقبرات تقليها. Yeah, I do love this organizer. فحفح كيبل منتي إذا organizer جراملو نايم حق فتيه. I do love that the stickers comes with different shapes and colors, so you will know what color you use for a month or a week or whatever. ካብ ኩሉ ዝፈትኽዎ ከዓኒ እዚ stickers በብዓይነቱ ሕብርን ሼፕን ይድበፅእ so ብሕብርታት እንዳገበርካ ፕላን ክትገብር ትኽእል ኢኻ Yeah, I did attach the envelope at the end of the planner. It looks so good. After መጨረሻ ከዓ ኣላጋጊበዮ ማለት እዩ ምስቲ ፕላነረይ so ኣብ ዝኾነ ቦታ ክትከይድ ከለኻ በቃ ሒዝካዮ ትኸይድ ማለት እዩ Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Do not forget to check out personalplanner.com and then there is a code for 15% off on the description box. يقني لي حواتي عبز ما تجي زخريكني أي ترسعهم يخن تشك براهم يخن عبز ما تجي زخريكني يقني لي حواتي تكود هيبامكم دلوس تتقيمكم كعني 15% off كبوكم يوم كساع جون 21 كلتشان 10 شمونتن يقني لي حوات